Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you which makeup products you actually need in your makeup bag. I'm going to talk you through all the products and why I think they're so great, because I know it can be really confusing. But before we go any further, guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that bell notification. The Benefit Primer, the Professional, it's a translucent and matte finish one. It's also oil-free, that means it works really great with oily skin. It will help your makeup to stay put, and it also minimizes your pore appearance. For foundation, I obviously picked this one by Estee Lauder, the Double Wear Nude. It's water light and long wear. It feels like you have nothing on. It moves really comfortably with your skin. It looks fresh, natural, healthy, and even toned. To conceal my under eye area, I'll be using two concealers. This one by The Body Shop, it's actually an illuminating concealer, and on top of that I will be using this one by Estee Lauder, and I'll blend both of them with a beauty blender. To contour my face and give a definition, I will be using this contour stick by NYX. You can highlight and contour all in one, and because it is so creamy, you can even use your fingers to blend it. For powder, I chose this one by Givenchy. It's really pigmented, but it won't make your skin look heavy. Blend it together with a sweep of the brush. The complexion tone is evened out and skin is silky, soft and matte with a natural finish. If applied one by one, each shade can be used to structure the face. The lighter shades highlight and the darker shades contour. For blush, I'm using my one favorite by Chanel. It offers seamless color in a silky, delicate texture. It has a buildable coverage, and you can get from natural to dramatic with a radiant glow. To kind of fix up my brows, I will be using this brow pencil, and I like using the spoolie to brush through my brows, and then I use the really thin pencil just to fill in where there are any gaps. As an eyeshadow base, I will be using this eyeshadow stick by Laura Mercier. It will create a smooth canvas for color. It will increase its durability and prevent fallout. For eyeshadow, I've picked this eyeshadow palette by The Body Shop. It has nice blendable and pigmented neutral colors, and I will be combining these three together. For mascara, I've picked this one by L'Oreal, and add depth, drama and lace to your eye makeup and achieve a glamorous false lash effect, and this is why I love it so much. I don't think you need more than 2 lip products in your makeup bag, a nude one and something a bit more bold. For the nude lip, I've picked this one from YSL in the shade Dreamy Nude. It's kind of a hybrid lipstick combining a melting balm care with glowing sheer color. For a slightly more bold shade, I've picked this one also by YSL in the shade Dermy Plum. I think it's really pretty, really flattering, and I love these lipsticks because they give you a nourishing and moisturizing care. I think with these products you can make a really pretty makeup look, and please leave me a comment to let me know what you guys thought of this video. As always, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share if you like, and I hope to see you guys soon.